This is for my anti-drug campaign. Legal and illegal drugs. Understanding the distinct impacts and regulations surrounding legal and illegal drugs. An in-depth exploration of health, society, and law. Welcome to my presentation. For introduction, drugs are substances that alter central nervous system impacting mood, perception, and behavior. These substances can be illegal, like nicotine or alcohol, or illegal, such as cocaine or heroin. So what is drugs? So drugs is substance that can be addicted, or possible drugs can be a medicine. So avoid drugs. Avoiding drugs use involves making conscious choices and building a strong support system. This includes educating yourself about the risk and consequence of drug use. Developing healthy coping mechanism for stress and difficult emotion. So, what to avoid? Possibly, you can start by not using drugs bit by bit. So, these are some drug addict image. Some smoking, most of it is smoking. So, drug problem. Drug addiction often leads to breakdown of families as individuals struggling with addiction may become unreliable, abusive, or absent. So, drugs can be sometimes you can be aggressive when you use drugs. So, possible broken family and such. Social impact. The world is facing growing drugs crisis show no signs of slowing down. Over the past decades, drug use has surged with millions of people worldwide falling into addiction. And a small quote about drugs and how you won't stop. Just remember this, life's too short for a downward spiral. Choose the path where your future is vital. Say no to drugs and your spirit will not happen. So that is all for my presentation.